Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Amita, and welcome to my channel. So, today, I am going back to university, but before I go back to university, I'm going to Temple because it is their 5th year opening anniversary of the temple. So, I'm going to go there, but before I do, I'm going to do some packing, and you guys are going to watch how I do it. So, yeah, let's get started. So, I already started packing on Friday actually. So, this is the luggage I'm taking. This is my school bag that still needs filling up. So, this is a blender that I use at university but I brought home. This is like a bag full of kitchen stuff. My water bottles because I don't really drink tap water, and another bag full of kitchen stuff. So now I just need to pack my bag with tech stuff, and we're pretty much ready. So in that luggage it's got most of my books, notebooks and clothes and other stuff, and of course you guys can't forget my first aid bag because it literally goes everywhere with me. But yes. So, I'm gonna go and get changed into this, and I'll see you later. There you go, guys. This is how I look once I got changed. Now, I am gonna do a quick makeup, and then hopefully I have time to pack up my laptop. If not, I'll do that when I come back. So, yeah, let's get started. as you guys can see, I'm at temple right now, and things are getting prepared for today's anniversary celebration. That's my dad over there. And that's my brother in the brown bush. The following things have been prepared. So these are shells, sangu, arhambulu or holy grass I would like to call it, malihapu or the jasmine flower garland, coconut or tengai in Tamil, mala which is a flower garland, as well as a malihapu again which is a garland, milk in these, or pal in these sembu or jug. In there is pomegranate, or in Tamil it's Madulampulam, Thodampalam or oranges. Over there back we put tin or honey. And then this is called, and I forgot what that's called. But, that's called Avastheha. Apa? Ini apa namanya? Thank you. Avastheha Dilip, which consists of coconut water, rose water, and some other stuff. I can't really see from here.
ततः पंचगव्यम् अस्त्रेण संप्रोक्ष्ये ओम शिवदत्तगोष्ठादिगोष्ठदेवताभ्यो नमः सुप्रदिष्टभात्रादिभात्रदेवताभ्यो नमः मध्ये क्षीरम् आपूर्ये ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तदाशिवम् पूर्वे तथि तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् दक्षिणे घृतम् अघोरेभ्यो रघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरधरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वधर्मेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः उत्तरे कोजलम् वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः
कलविकर्णाय नमो
बलाय नमो बलप्रवदनाय नमः सर्वभूतमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः पश्चिमे कोमयम् सत्योजातं प्रपद्यामि सत्योजाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवे नादि भवे भवस्वभान् भवोद्भवाय नमः ऐशान्यां कुशोदकम् देवसद्वादपिदप्रदवे अश्विनोः पावत्याः पूर्णगस्थाभ्यामादधे तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाक्कुशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात् ॐ हां शिवाय नमः तत्पुरुषाय नमः अघोराय नमः वामदेवाय नमः सत्योजाताय नमः हृदयाय नमः दरधे नमः शिखाय नमः गवयाय नमः नेत्रेभ्यो नमः अस्त्राय नमः संरक्ष्य धेनुमुत्रामहुदीकृत्य सीदानादि पञ्चगव्यदेवताय नमः शकलाराधनेषु वज्ञतमस्ते वर्णकुम्भमत्रेण सम्प्रोक्ष्य
It's been around 1 hour later. I came home, I got changed, I ate quickly. Now my carer has kindly picked me up. And now I'm off to university, so I'll see you later. Right. I am officially back to uni. I am officially back in London. That is the bus I just got off at. And that's my favourite place, which is the shop. Yay! I can't believe I'm back! Please leave a... and I'll see you guys in the next video. So please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Also, before I go, I should let you know that you're gonna see videos that may seem out of order, but sometimes if I have difficulties editing for that week, I'll just publish the videos that have already been edited. So see you later.